the slope of the isocone and it will be negative. Technical rate of substitution, a Cobb-Douglas production functions example. A well-behaved technology is monotonic and convex also. Well-behaved technologies, monotonicity, more of any input generate more output. That means the function keep on going in the same direction as it start. Monotonic function. And this is not monotonic function. Curvilinear. Well-behaved technologies, convexity. Convexity if the input bundle X and X inverted to provide Y unit of output, then the mixture T into X plus 1 minus T provide at least Y unit of output for any the same level of output can be observed whether take the different combinations of input and the constant T value will be T greater than 0 less than 1. Output bundle will be between T into X plus 1 minus T into X, mean that this is weighted average of inputs always lies between. For example, the green dots show the weighted C average. Weighted average of input always lies between T X plus 1 minus T into X plus Tx2 plus 1 minus Tx2. Generally we said average is better than the extreme point. Green is weighted average. Convexity simply implies that transformation rate becomes less and less negative. Well-behaved technology shows that as you move away from the origin, the level of output is getting increased. Well-behaved technologies is the features of two things. One is convexity of the production function and monotonicity, the other features. Monotonicity, as the point of saturation, you will move efficient level of production and you will input increase, so your output will be increased at some directions as direction the input move. If you decrease the input, so your level of output will also be decreased, so direction of relationship remains same. It will be called monotonic function. If function is monotonic and also convex to the origin, that will be called the well-behaved function. The long run and short run. The long run is the circumstances in which a firm is unrestricted in its choice of all input levels. There are many possible short runs. A short run is the circumstances in which firms is restricted in some ways in its choice of at least one input level. Note the behavior of long run and the short run. Now moved it for short run production. Function will be appeared. Now x1 will be changing, but x2 on each level take the constant term. Now if x2 is equal to 1 and x1 will be changing from 0 to 10. So what will be the behavior? If x2 is equal to 2 and x1 will be changing, what will be the behavior of the production function? If x2 is equal to 5 given 11 or x1 is equal to 10, x1 is changing, what will be the behavior of production function? The long run and the short run. Now you can look at is the long run production function is given, but in the short run production function you have to assume that x2 is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10. So it means that we substitute the x2 और फिर उसे x2 को x1 के लिए आउटपुट को y के लिए x1 की सूरत में मेजर करते हैं. Now technology part have complete. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.